Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to drawing a dotted circle word. To start, we open the word file. There, from the Insert menu, click on Shapes and you must click on the option Oval. Adjust the size of the circle in the document. After this, select the circle and from the Shape Format menu, you can change its appearance in Shape Outline. From Shape Fill, click on No Fill to modify its appearance. Then right-click on the circle and open the Format Shape option. Open the Line section and from the Dash Type field, select the stippling to use. From the Width option, you can increase the points to see the broader dots in the circle. You can choose another type of stippling to see the change in the circle. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.